Hey everybody, this is Jason, Colorado Mountain Man Survival. I'm out here with Matt. We're for our 50-day program. Part of the program, Matt has to get a bow drill fire, but he's got to do it with primitive cordage. So he's made himself a bow drill kit and some yucca cordage. So this is his first attempt at it right now. He's down there getting ready. I'll show you his kit here real quick, and then he'll get going. All right, here's Matt's kit. We're going to use a shorter bow than normal. Typically, my bow that we use, or we would use, would go further out past the fingertips or around the fingertips. We're going to use a shorter bow so we can cant or tip the bow a little bit so the cordage doesn't abrade on itself. If you're using paracord and it rubs against each other, no big deal. But with natural paracord, if it rubs on itself, it'll break down. But you see, as it's tipped there, the cordage doesn't touch itself. We're using a bone that we found for a bearing block. I believe that's aspen, hearthboard, aspen drill or spindle, and just a wood flake for the ember pan. So Matt's gonna go ahead and get going on this, and let's see how well he does. You guys want to come watch this? So notice he keeps that bow tipped a little bit so that the cordage doesn't touch itself. You go slow and easy until that notch has filled up with dust. There you go, seeing some smoke now.
Yeah, we're starting to get some slippage.
Did you pop out the front? Or the rope's slipping?
The rope is starting to slip on the
Alright, so
spindle.
the rope is stretched a little bit, which will cause it to slip on the spindle. So we might have to tighten up the rope here so he can get better.
I'm going to try to cheat and just squeeze tension and see how
Alright.
that works. Looks like I was also migrating on my hole a little bit.
Yeah. Get some wobble.
It's starting to egg my hole out for some reason. Migrating so far forward on my notch. So that's what it did to Mike before when we were at the other site.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you see his hole moved over. It started here and slipped down forward, so he's going to burn in another hole and give it another shot. All right, round two, new hole. Tighten up the cordage a little bit.
Don't break on me.
It'll be easy this time.
Yeah, still getting some burning on the bearing block.
Yeah, looks like it's smoking up there more than it is on the
Yeah,
ground.
surprisingly. Come on.
Is it filling up the notch?
A little bit. breaking on me. Yeah, I think I'm toast. Having to cheat it. I don't think I got it. Oh, that sucks. Get the cordage to cooperate.
All right, made some adjustments. This is round 3.
I can spit in the hole instead of on my hand.
No comment.
As soon as I start having to try to put some pressure on there to get the speed.
Getting some good dust. Good smoke.
I think I got it, but I'm just making sure.
Might as well not give up now. I see smoke. Still see smoke. Woo!
Yes.
There we got a coal.
Whew.
That's a lot of work. So that's with a completely primitive bow.
Glad I made extra cordage.
Yeah, bow. And some natural cordage made out of yucca fibers. All right, you got a tinder bundle?
Nope.
Fail.
Poorly prepared.
You gotta do it again. There should be
You want me to blow it into flame?
If you got some, make something real quick.
Where'd that bark all disappear?
It's over in the trailer. Yeah, there's some right there. So we're gonna let that sit up. We can let that sit up. That'll burn for a while. See, we're not in a rush here. The faster you go here, the more you screwed up. We got a little bit of wind going, so might protect this. The wind does kick up. Got some cottonwood bark. Typically, you're gonna process this ahead of time.
Yep, I didn't know. Didn't think too far ahead. Oh, shit.
So I'm protecting that coal.
Yeah, I think it already blew off.
It's on the board still, but we can.
That should consolidate itself here. Okay, now let me see any other stuff too.
There's a little bit of grass right next to you here.
Better than nothing. We're gonna try a small bird nest. See what happens.
Stuck to my hand.
Well, consolidated.
5%. So you got like roughly 30 seconds to get this going before my phone shuts off.
Okay, sorry. No
No,
pressure again.
There you go. Completely primitive fire.
That cottonwood bark is awesome.
Yes, it is.